I woke up that Monday with a familiar but increasingly draining feeling. My head throbbed slightly, and my body felt like it was carrying the weight of an entire week, even though it was just the beginning. The previous night had been a restless cycle of tossing and turning, my thoughts spiraling as I stared at the dark ceiling, counting the minutes until the alarm would blare. When I finally got out of bed, every movement felt heavier than it should have. My feet met the cold floor, and I dragged myself to the kitchen, moving on autopilot. There it was, my trusty coffee maker. I poured in the water, added the grounds, and waited as the bitter, familiar aroma filled the room. I held the mug in both hands, seeking comfort in its warmth. The first sips gave me a slight boost, a fleeting sense of alertness. But it didn't last. Before I even finished the cup, the heavy fog of exhaustion returned, hanging over me like a constant reminder, this isn't working. At work, the day crawled by. My brain felt disconnected, like I was operating at half capacity. Simple tasks, which I would normally breeze through, now felt like monumental challenges. Hour by hour, I looked for quick fixes, a chocolate bar from the vending machine, a packet of crackers from my desk drawer, or another cup of coffee. But each solution was followed by an even harder crash. As I stared blankly at my computer screen, trying to summon the energy to complete a spreadsheet, a coworker walked past my desk. "You look exhausted," he said, his tone carrying a note of genuine concern. "Have you ever tried drinking warm water with lemon first thing in the morning?" I glanced at him, a mix of skepticism and curiosity on my face. Warm water with lemon? That was his grand solution? He shrugged and chuckled at my expression. "I know it sounds silly, but seriously, it makes a huge difference. I started doing it a month ago, and I haven't woken up feeling drained since. Give it a try, you'll see." I wasn't convinced, but the conversation stuck with me for the rest of the day. That night, as I washed the dishes, I thought to myself, why not? It was a simple change, requiring no extra effort. Even though I was skeptical, I decided to give it a shot the next morning. If there was even a chance it could help, what did I have to lose? And so, with no big expectations, I began what would become a small but transformative habit, one that would change my energy levels, my mood, and my relationship with mornings. The next morning, the promise of trying something new got me out of bed with a sense of determination. Still groggy, I walked to the kitchen, grabbed a fresh lemon, and cut it in half. I squeezed the juice into a glass of warm water I had prepared. The simplicity of the act felt almost meditative, the citrus aroma blending with the gentle steam rising from the glass, creating a quiet moment amidst my usual morning rush. As I took my first sip, I was pleasantly surprised. It wasn't bitter or overwhelming, but smooth and refreshing. Each sip felt like more than just hydration, it was as though my body recognized it as something essential, a small gesture of self-care I hadn't realized I needed. While getting ready for the day, I noticed something different. My body felt more naturally awake. I didn't feel the urgent need for coffee to start functioning. The first few hours of the day passed without the usual heavy fog of fatigue. It was a new sensation, a steady and sustained kind of energy. I decided to stick with the habit. Over the following days, I integrated it into my morning routine. That's when I began to notice deeper changes. My digestion felt lighter and more efficient, something I hadn't expected but that made me feel even more comfortable throughout the day. My focus at work improved, my mind felt clearer, as if a weight had been lifted, and then there was my reflection in the mirror. My skin, which often looked tired and dull, began to take on a natural glow. The lemon, with its rich dose of vitamin C and antioxidants, was working its magic from the inside out. Even my mood seemed brighter. Starting the day with this simple habit gave me a sense of control, as if I were prioritizing myself before the demands of the day took over. Curious, I researched more about its benefits, and it all made sense. The warm water was hydrating my body after hours of sleep, something I had overlooked. The lemon, a natural source of vitamin C, was not only boosting my immune system but also helping balance my body's pH levels. It was such a simple yet effective solution that it almost felt obvious. Today, I never start a morning without this ritual. It's not just about energy or physical benefits, it's a moment of pause, a way to reconnect with myself before the day's chaos begins. It's a reminder that small, mindful choices can have a profound impact. If there's one thing this experience has taught me, it's that we don't always need big changes or complicated solutions to transform our lives. Sometimes, the secret lies in the simplest of actions, the small gesture that, day by day, leads us to a level of well-being we never thought possible. This simple habit transformed my mornings, my energy, and my overall well-being, and it all started with a single glass of warm water with lemon. Sometimes, the biggest changes begin with the smallest steps. Why not give it a try? Start your day tomorrow with this easy ritual and see how it makes you feel. Take that first step toward a more energized and balanced version of yourself. Let me know how it works for you. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to check the links in the description. I always leave the best tips of the moment there. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so we don't lose touch. Take care, and see you next time.